Hi guys, welcome to the Anything Everything podcast.
I'm Anaita
I'm Prisha.
and we are your hosts for this particular podcast. And we are so excited to have you here. This is our first episode on YouTube and we are very, very excited for this. We used to post on Spotify.
Spotify.
Yeah, but we decided that I think it would be better for us to like actually share what we are talking about with everybody. So yeah, what do you think, Prisha? How do you feel?
So we've wanted to shift to YouTube since a very long time, but as schedules weren't matching, times were clashing and all, and now we're finally here. So just like a brief, about what our account is gonna be like, what all we're gonna post. It's just like two friends because
Yeah.
you're just having like conversations, chilling, and basically we'll be sharing our opinions about certain topics and
Some popular, some unpopular, but this is a space
opinions.
for all of that.
Yeah.
And we're going to talk about books, we're going to talk about shows, we're going to talk about whatever emotions and feelings that we go through, what people go through, and how that affects all of us. And mainly it's just us discussing our intrusive thoughts,
Yeah.
but quite loudly.
Just be prepared. It's just going to be two of us fighting, chilling, having some chaotic conversations. So, yeah, let's dive into it.
Yeah, let's dive into it. I think I would not have started this podcast with anybody other than Prisha.
Oh,
So I
yeah.
think the first episode should be about how I met Prisha and how we met each other. And it was probably in 11th grade. And in our school, our teacher was talking about proposal writing for some English class. I remember very starkly. And Prisha was assigned to my group. And I just thought she was the most realist and classy but so low-key chill person ever, and I really thought that that was something very inspiring or something one. No, wait, we'll cut this out. So okay, so I'm gonna talk about how I met Prisha. And we met in 11th grade. We had some proposal writing class, and our teacher assigned Prisha to the group. And I thought Prisha was genuinely one of the most low key, cool person ever. And that's the vibe that I generally like in friends. It was very easy to talk to her. And
Thank
I
you.
think friendship should be like that. Friendship should be
Definitely.
effortless. Friendship should not be like in a way I'm always trying hard to be someone or to speak to you. It should come out very naturally, and that's how I thought it was when I met Prisha.
And the first time we met, 11th grade, I'm not gonna lie, but I found you so like, you were so quiet. when I first when I first saw her, we were it was some pressy writing room. मेरे को तो वो भी याद नहीं है, हम लोग ऐसे बैठे, कुछ तो हुआ. Were we even talking? Because we
No,
weren't
I was
talking.
my friend and I, we were actually both sitting on the last
Oh
bench,
yeah,
and we
you were
would
reading
just
a
read.
book.
Every
Yeah.
day we would just read because I am not a person who can go and talk to random
You think
people.
I am?
I thought she was.
No.
And then we met, and I think that was a good like exercise, like ice break
Exercise.
for us to talk, because I would not have approached her on my own. So it was like a way of like communicating through
You were sitting
learning.
over there piche like some, like some cool ass person. She's reading her book as a piche, like, she's in her own world. I don't know, something just like drew me towards her, and I was like, okay,
Eat.
yeah, like I was like, and I thought, okay, no, I didn't know your name back then. I was like, okay, hi, do you want to join us and all? And then me and my other friend, we knew each other. So even she brought it on. She was like, okay, let's call them. They're just sitting quietly and just reading a book.
Yeah, they basically recruited us in their group.
And
Yeah.
we called them, and then we were like, okay, Anaita, hi, hello.
Yeah, that was very nice and it was really cool. And now we are very good friends. So I
I
think today's
never
topic,
thought,
yeah,
it's gonna go like this. Like,
yeah,
mostly if you see high school friendships or something, like in those 2 years, either people are like shifting careers, or people are, going to different universities or something or the other.
I think it's also because I think our friendship is genuinely quite easy, and
Yeah.
that's something that's important. Friendship should be based on mutual respect and adoration for each other, and not something quite extrinsic. It should be very intrinsic.
Respect is
Yeah,
important.
respect is very important. And if you want a long haul in any friendship, I feel you should be able to respect how both of you are as a person individually, and not expect like text messages every day or calls every day or some sort of like presence every day. That's not friendship. I think friendship should be quite low key in that
Yeah,
sense.
yeah, definitely. And speaking on, since this is, just we talked about this even on our Spotify account, the simplicity in friendships kind of
Go
a
check it
thing.
out.
Our friendships always been very simple, easy, and like fun loving, because हमारे में ना we don't have all of that, you know, अरे I have to call her, अरे I have to make sure what is she doing with her. I'll text her, 2 हफ्ते के बाद उसका reply आएगा, oh you called Prisha. I'm like, and then I'm like used to it now.
Yeah, but I think that's also nice. And for anybody, I would say that you need to find someone as similar or in vibe as you. I'm not saying
Yeah.
that our easygoing friendship is the only like prototype for all friendships. For another person, it could be about talking every single day and checking in with each other, because that's how they are as a personality. We both are not like that, so it helps. So I think when it comes to like those factors, you should just find out people who are kind of like you, but with differing like interests or hobbies, because that's how like you grow as people too, right? Because Prisha has different interests, I have different interests, and we just kind of like work together with that. So it's pretty amazing.
Mm-hmm. Friendships, especially, I know like high school is a one part of, you know, life of yours where you undergo also a lot of toxic friendships and basically
Yeah.
a lot of drama that, you know, you never thought you'll associate yourself with in the first place, but then life just finds you in such a position one day. And we both have been through our fair share of toxic friendships.
Because I think it's important for you to be true to yourself no
Yeah,
matter
that's
what.
true.
I think Prisha, you just said about like in high school, people just try to fit in
A
to
lot.
all of these different groups,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
somewhere along the way you just like lose
Lose
yourself,
yourself.
which is not important. And at the end of the day, you are alone,
Hmm.
and you need to be able to look at yourself in the mirror and accept yourself. If you suddenly change yourself for some like random people in college, I'm sorry, but
You
that's
can't.
just, yeah, you are ruining yourself, and that's not something you should accept. You should have more respect for yourself, more love for yourself. So if you have any like troubles in college regarding friendships, I feel like the right people will find you.
That's
You
true.
don't have to go out of the way to like change yourself and say, oh my god, now they'll talk to me, now they'll like me. I feel take your time.
You know, as you said, even like the idea of like big friend groups has become such a, you know, like a
Yeah.
want. Like people want to be part of such huge friend groups, which ultimately affects their mental health so much. Like it's not like we're saying it's everywhere, but mostly isn't it everywhere?
It is everywhere. I think everybody at one point in their life wants to be in that big friend group,
Yeah.
so they can go clubbing, or they can just go to like different
You can just
parties,
enjoy.
enjoy
Yeah.
that supposed college life. But I think we all also know that those big friend groups do have a lot of problems, and people are quite fake. So it's better to have like 2 3 close friends.
Yeah.
Find those close friendships first, because big groups have smaller groups, and smaller groups talk about other smaller groups.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, so all of those factors are always going to be present whether you have a big friend group or not. So just find 2 3 people you love who you can connect to after college as well, because those networks are more important
Two,
for
three
your
friends
health.
are more important
Yeah.
any day rather than having like a whole ass, you know, friend group and all.
Yeah, who don't even care about each other, honestly.
And people like entangle themselves in such, you know, toxic friendships like all the time, and then they're like, "Ki, Arey, what do I do? How do I get out of it and stuff?"
Yeah,
You know?
and I think people should just stop being fake.
Yeah, true.
Please, everything about you has to be authentic. If it's not, you are going to lose yourself along the way, and just like your identity is going to be quite skewed. And social media is also responsible for that,
Mhm.
because people all want those big groups because they see it online, they see like, oh my god, they're having so much fun,
Yeah.
and we want to replicate that feeling. But replication is artificial, so you can't really make sure that my group will be as good as theirs
Yeah.
when it's not really the truth. And social media has really, I think,
Skewed
for
your
our
mindset like that.
generation,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
very vividly it has screwed. For our generation, I think social media has genuinely like ruined people. Like this, I think we have heard this saying so many times, a comparison is the thief of joy.
Oh yeah.
And the only thing our generation does is compare.
Comparison. Yeah, yeah.
Looks, books,
Everything.
academics, internships, every single thing.
Everything. And plus the thing is that social media is such a big, like, ठीक है, it gives you your pros but it also has so many cons, like you know what I'm saying, because comparison तो है एक चीज, तो वो definitely comparison, people
Yeah.
our age तो compare so much from academics, say looks, oh my god, to everything. But the fact is that, as you said, authenticity is real. You need to be true to yourself at one point or else you lose yourself down the lane, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I think that authenticity part is very important. And I genuinely think that all people who join social media should probably do when they're like 14, 15, honestly.
Oh my god.
Not before that.
Yeah, yeah.
I know people who are there online before that, and their mindset genuinely like changes every single time they view a video. They believe that this is exactly how life is, when bro, it's not. What are you doing? Go study.
Touch
For
grass.
touch grass, I think that goes for everybody. Please, this is not real life. Please go touch some grass.
Because communication is the key, you know, even in friendships. Like, if something's bothering you, and if you think the other person disrespected you in some sort of the way, go to the person, clear it out. Because, you know, misunderstandings can cause so much unnecessary drama.
Yes, so true.
Just one small thing, in especially in abhi ka, our generation ka friendships especially, people just assume the worst all the time. Like,
Yeah.
even when things are going okay, I don't know.
I think
how-
overthinking and anxiety
Yeah.
has become a big deal in
That's
friendships.
with everyone, actually.
And it's also because of social media, I feel, or just any sort of like people have started overthinking what you text them because the
Yeah.
tone of the message seems wrong.
That's one problem with texting, you know. ऐसे तुम किसको क्या बता रहे हो,
Yeah.
समझ में ही नहीं आता है.
That's why I believe in voice notes. But
Oh
have
my
you
God.
seen that one? There is one reel that I saw of like a girl starts a voice note and she's talking about every single other topic under the sun, but the thing she wanted to talk to you about.
That's me.
Yeah, that's all of us. I feel like we all talk
Me
about
in
different
particular.
things.
I said to talk about something and I send her something else.
Yeah.
And she's like, what's the point?
What's the point? So true.
Get to it. Like, Prisha, cut to the chase. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Prisha, what is your opinion of trios? Like three friendship.
Three friendships.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've had personal experiences with trio since elementary. Loki, it didn't work out for me.
Oh, okay.
It didn't work out.
That's
but
how
I'm not gonna
usually-
be, you know, I'm not gonna be under the presumption that, oh my god, trio friendships don't last.
Yeah.
Because my mom's been friends with two of her best girlfriends since
Amazing.
high school, and they're still friends. So I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, trios don't work all the time and all. See, genuinely, if you wanted to, you would.
Yeah, that's true. If you wanted to, you
अगर
would.
फ्रेंडशिप चलानी है हो जाएगा भाई, इतना टेंशन मत लो. Like, if you can, you would do it. You can't be like कि, you know, you can't always, like as I said before, you can't presume the worst from the very beginning, you know.
True.
And the thing with trios is that, yeah, I get it, trios में ऐसा होता है ना
That
कि
two
दो
people are
जन, हाँ,
closer.
two people are closer. See, that's not always the case, you know. वो two people closer, they also ultimately can lose friendship, you know, over a period of time.
Yeah, yeah.
So
It
it's
could
not
be
that.
that. And trios also have this like problem that if those two people do get really closer, they'll start excluding the third person.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But then that
See,
third
that's
person
what I
cannot
said.
leave.
That's what I said. It's on you. It's how you carry your friendships, you know.
Yeah. And I feel like once you're mature enough
Yeah, you know how
to
to.
handle friendships and you are in like a trio with people who are also actively intellectual and have good social and emotional quotient,
Mhm.
then I think those trios can last.
Yeah.
Middle school trios will never last. I'm sorry. Breaking
It's something
news.
happened over it.
Nothing happened to me, but I saw
You
things
saw?
around me. In middle school, you're all immature. You're trying to fit in. So, you know, there are a lot of changes that are happening with you. So, in that situation, most of those don't last. But once you grow up, I think once your brain starts fully developing and you realize that these are the important things in your life
Yeah.
and we should treasure them, then you are fine. But till then, it's kind of like a landslide.
Downward slope.
Yeah, yeah.
Friendships, basically, guys, it's genuinely on you how you carry it forward. Like, we are not some big ass babas giving you advice on friendship. That is not even us. We faced our fair share of bad friendships and
Bad
good
friendships,
friendships.
yeah.
So we're just trying to put forward that friendships should always be simple, easygoing. Just consider our friendship as an example. We also have had our ups and downs over the past few years, but the thing with us is that we've always tried to deal with it. You know, we've always never tried to, like, one thing about friendships, don't take it to the last moment, because, you know, when you
Yes.
take it to the last moment, to the very end, the connection just breaks.
Exactly.
Seriously.
Trisha and I both have an avoidant attachment style.
That's true.
We don't care too much about
We
things.
don't, genuinely we don't, like, ठीक है, हम दोनों ऐसा overthinking वो सब तो हमारा
Yeah,
चलता
yeah.
है.
But then few things that other people might like hold on to, we
don't.
just don't care.
We do, and bro, it's such a bad this, because, like, you know, ऐसा serious moments पे also we are like, what
Yeah.
is going on? We don't know what is going on. She look at me, I'm looking at her, and then she'll ask me, was this serious? I'll be like, yeah, Naita, it was serious. And then we'll just start laughing.
We'll just not realize it. And before we end this today's episode, I think people should really understand the evolution of friendships. What you are right now, like we are 19, what you are at 19 is not what you are going to be at like 22.
True.
Even like a year from now, we are not going to be the same.
That's
A
true.
person evolves individually, and your friendship should also
Evolve,
and
yeah.
you can't expect one person to freeze in time just for you,
That's true.
so that whatever you were in that, the same fact should remain. I think that's not cool. Nostalgia is great, but you can't be stuck in it. That's not a very nice feeling. So you should allow each other the room to keep growing. And your friendship will also change. You will not be like you were when you were in school. You will start working.
You also
will become,
change.
yeah, you'll become employed. You will have so many other like feelings and so many other things to do, that you need to allow the other person to also like grow up.
True. Us being us, I know 5 to 7 years down the lane also we'll be laughing about some
Yeah.
unserious thing that happened. Because right now also, if you say, we're still laughing on something that happened 4 years back. Like, you know, we've always been like that, Anita.
I think that's very important to do. And I feel like there should be always one good metric to see how your friendship should last, is that when you're 28, 30, 32, you're probably going to be married.
Oh my
You are-
god.
Even if you're not married, you're going to have so many different things going on in your life. You're going to be working a lot because you want to progress in your career.
True.
You might be thinking of, I don't know, writing a book. You might be thinking of traveling the world, because everybody has different priorities, right? So when you are doing all that, you will not see your friend every day. So you need to see that no matter what, your friendship will still last if you are just doing different things. That's what true friendship is about.
That's
Is
true.
that you might meet after 2-3 years, or maybe like 1 year, and you can meet at a cafe and your vibe will still be
Stay
there.
the same, yeah.
That's important.
true.
Look for that. Look for those types of friendships where you both understand each other in that fact, and you can still sit, and if somebody calls you in the middle of the night,
Yeah, you were still.
Yeah.
This is us literally.
even if you're not talking for like 8 months because you have different things going on.
You still talk. You're still the same way as it is, bro. I like your intellectual side. You get so deep into
Yeah,
stuff. I love it.
I think I really like it, because I feel even like a small like on my story, even after we have not talked for like 4-6 months, I still know that, you know,
You're
you are
still there.
acknowledging my
Yeah,
presence,
yeah.
I'm acknowledging
Yeah,
your presence.
yeah.
And that goes a long way. You should like treasure those small things. Like, you know, focus on those small things instead of like always waiting for the big changes or the big talks that
And
can
you know,
happen.
Loki, the big changes will happen down the lane. Like, you know, the thing is that you don't expect things to happen a certain way, and they don't always happen that way. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like, अभी तुम्हारे दिमाग में कितना सारा चीज हो के कि no, we want to do this, we want to do this in life, but well, does it work out? No, sometimes it doesn't. And then yeah, as she said, रात को भाई, we have had an example, रात को 12 साढ़े 12 बजे तक कॉल पे बैठ के same thing we go on, huh? Same thing we go left, right, same thing me and Anita are talking about for 45 minutes. We're not
Yeah.
moving on. Literally, I'm not going to
lateral
I'm
thought.
not going to say anything more on it, but just we were talking about something. We started our call. 45 minutes tak we were talking about the same thing. It's not like we shifted also. She's adding her insight, I'm adding my insight, and then
Yeah.
we're getting to the bottom of it. You know, why is this happening?
Yeah, just like the psychoanalysis of all the
It's
situations
insane.
around us.
10th, 9th, 8th grades, I think we've had our fair share of bad friendships. But then see,
yes.
life sometimes, you know, works out in your favor. 11th, 12th, who knew we're going to be friends? But
Yeah, I did not expect to find a good group.
I swear, same.
I genuinely did not. I thought that all the people I would love were, you know, with me.
Yeah,
10th,
yeah.
And then suddenly I found a new group. All of them really good people.
See, that's the thing. You had a good friendship.
I had a
in
good
10th.
friendship.
I've
Also
only-
because I was
yeah.
very unproblematic. And also
That's true.
did not care enough. So that was also
No, that's a good trait, you
Yeah.
know. People who care like about every little
Small
thing now.
it pains them only.
Exactly. And the thing is that you've had a good friendship kind of a thing.
Also because I had my
fair
bad share of friendships in like
everyone's
7th,
had that. Yeah.
so that then I think like broadened my horizons and put my boundaries up, so that
Yeah,
now
yeah,
I know
true.
which people to let in and which people to
do
let
not
go.
let in. 10th grade to bhai, our friendship circle was like especially mine wasn't that very great. I've only had like 3 to 4 people who I still talk to from school. Because, you know, as I said, I know so many people jinka school ka friendships are very strong, but that
Oh.
wasn't the case for me. My high school friendships were way better than my old school,
School
friendships, you know. Because high school mein I've comparatively found most sorted people, you know.
You know, sometimes it's also not you, it's the people around you.
That's true.
It could be that. So don't like always
Stress
think
it.
there's something wrong with you.
Yeah.
It's always not your fault. So I feel, again, have room to grow.
Have room to grow.
It's not that deep. Sometimes genuinely
It's not that deep, guys.
it's not that deep, and you'll figure it out when the time is right for you.
Yeah.
That's important.
Go with the face. Go with the face. Sorry. Go with the flow.
Yes.
Go with the flow.
Go with the face is probably not the best advice, Prisha. Face is quite deceiving. Faces are very deceiving.
That's true, bro.
We go with the flow.
Go with the flow. And since we are also, this is our first video, we were also like very
Nervous.
very nervous. We've actually had a whole phase where the mics weren't working, where the setting wasn't very good.
Yeah. But
And
now we like this.
now we like it.
We like
yeah.
the vibe. And hopefully you guys
It's
like our
just
first
gonna
episode.
be like this. It's just gonna be us talking, maybe with different backdrops, maybe with, you know,
Different topics.
different topics.
Like one topic is this, the another could be about some like horror documentary we watched, because we really do enjoy
it,
like
that's true.
thrillers, reading them, watching them both. So you know, maybe
yeah,
our
that's
next
one
episode
thing
could be
even common
about
about
that.
us.
Yeah.
We do like reading and watching a lot of stuff.
Yeah, another
Yeah.
episode could be just us discussing some important, you know, kind of factors that are happening in the
Yeah.
world.
And another episode would just be trauma dumping us, you know, about our past friendships, or like just about right now, about how the
Yeah.
studies are going and about how
Yeah.
everything's going.
But all that we now know is finally that our digital footprint is going to be a little ruined. But we accept it because we love each other.
why though? It would be good.
And guys, we are also just 19 years old. We are not some saintly people. We are also trying to figure out how we want our
How our life
to
goes.
look like.
Yeah.
We have our fair share of crash outs and breakdowns and joyous moments
Every other day.
every other day.
Yeah.
But I think we'll figure it out together, and that's what this podcast is going to be about. And this is a good vessel for that.
Yeah.
So hopefully you enjoy our content, and if you do, please do comment on this episode.
Yeah. What do you think?
And-
What do you want to see next?
Yeah, what do you want to see next?
Yeah.
We really want to take your opinions into account.
Or do you just want to see us talking, or do you want to see some other type of content? Let us know down.
Yeah, please
And if
let
you
us
guys
know.
have any suggestions, do let us know. And yeah, as you said, the digital footprint is not going to turn as it was in my
I
head.
don't think so. We'll see you the next time. Like and share, and thank you so much. This was our first episode.
Bye bye.